Good morning. It's January 21, 2025, Tuesday. We are around, or we're traversing, or we are looping the Festival Mall in Philinvest. This time we're doing it clockwise. Last year around November we did it counterclockwise, so now we're doing it clockwise. So ayan, wala pa mga tao. It's around or past 6 a.m. So ito na ang clockwise. So first we're going around or under the tunnel. We have our front lights on. Our light under the tunnel. Rock Pros 200 lumos. So ayan, going out of the tunnel. It's konting uphill. On the right is Shopwise na lower ground level, and then Decathlon. So downhill. So medyo mayroong headwind. We are all in on our Phoenix gravel. So it's a gravel bike. Frame niya is syempre gravel bike, hindi siya katulad ng mountain bike. And then yung fork, standard fork, walang suspension ang fork natin. So in case may mga lubak, can handle it, but damang-dama, we can feel the vibrations if the pavement is not even. Ito ang solar public vehicle ng Philinvest. So dito tayo sa right side, previous videos andun tayo sa left side. So capture naman natin yung right side. So we're going to take the bike path. Let's see how it will show in the video. Early morning, so di pa full light. We are on the delivery bay of Landmark. On the right is the statue of Lady of Knowledge and Science. ito. We're sticking to the bike path. May mga markings naman. We are still on the clockwise exploration around Festival Mall. So after this, road level na tayo, dahil if we continue on the other corner, yung bike path, walang ramp. Okay, kung naka-mountain bike tayo pwede, dahil meron tayong suspension sa front. Pero since naka-gravel bike tayo, dito tayo at wala tayong suspension. So we're sticking to the right, sweeping right. Yan, kita pa yung bike path sa right or sa kanan, pero walang off ramp eh. Ayan o, after the signage wala siya. Alright, pababa na tayo. Lusong. On the left is the Catholic Church. Meron pa mga huni na mga ibon. Alright, cul-de-sac, roundabout. Continuing on, this is the River Park on the left. We've almost completed the clockwise loop of Festival. Up ahead is Insular Life Towers, Vivere on the rightmost. Yan tayo galing kanina sa may no entry. So let's extend the video. Let's go under the tunnel again. Sa kanan, we still have our bike light. I think yung kanyang capacity o yung capacity ng battery is continuous 3 hours. Okay, so this is the video. Thank you for joining me on my loop around Festival. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time.